a mother, you know remember nothing me do for you. You know, make it people them know say you run away from a young age. And me still love you because me run away too. Yo. Say your friend says she want book me. Your friend where you have want book me. It's not too late for me and you. Me no business about 20,000 people pan no media. Anna, it not me and you. It is not late for me and you. Me promise you, me a go look help. Me a go seek help. Me a take a blame for everything as a mother because me birth you. So me a go seek help. You understand me? So anytime you come back in my life, right? Or anytime you pass me, it can be better. Me tell you, say me a go stop. Me a go stop with the argument back and forward betwixt me and you. Big as something, my wife, my eye. Big, me understand she am a girl pitney. She am my first girl pitney will come out of my home. She am my first girl pitney. And here we break up the whole family because of Chanel, my daughter-in-law. How me go control this? You hate Chanel, you can't hate Chanel, right? You can't have hatred in your heart. It's no good. If you go around and hate everybody in a goddamn world, what go happen? What's that if you have somebody in your family? You cannot hate that person in your family. You have to see the difference. Give me one towel. Give me a dark towel. That girl with the side that you not help you. And them I tell you about fight off Chanel or what they would do to Chanel. And you know if you do it. You understand me? You know if you do it. You only phone for me. Me soon come back. You know if you do it. Me don't know how to do this. Me don't know how to resolve this. Sometimes I feel like pack my bag and go away. But me have a little one them so me can't deny them. Right? Wanna make me feel so freaking bad as a mother. How me for resolve this? Are your daughter? Are your what? Your in-law? No so? Yeah. Right? And see there too you hate Chanel. You think say Chanel a text. Chanel no have a phone and me. And me this squall text you and you think say a Chanel. And no Chanel and me a text you. And all the people them over there, all of them are my supporters too, and them are hypocrite. All of my supporters them will come over here. All of them are hypocrite. Send me back a request, baby. Sorry. Right? All of the support, most of my supporters them will come over here. You're hypocrite. Remember me tell you that. You hear me? I tell you no. Block and delete them from out of my comment section. Me don't care about nobody. Just block and delete. That's all you need to do. Me get some water. How me I go resolve this as a mother? Right? Uno be truthful. Not because me dey on the media and my name is Annie. Right? You have a daughter-in-law and you have a daughter and them hate them one another. You're in at the middle. What me supposed to do? Me supposed to stand up and resolve everything. Try to make sure say the both of them agree. Right? Make them can resolve them problems. Sit down and talk. You understand me? Me no know. And enough for you come here and talk about your feel as a mother. You feel more than me. So please, me I beg you.
Hello.
Hello, sorry. God know me hurt, you know. Beg you something to clean my face. Me hurt. Give me some come on the phone, make me get some water. Me hurt, you know. When me say me hurt. Me not go hide it. Me come on your life this call, I go just say look on you and looking at your face. And look if you're alright. And you sit down the day and you not get it. Me not go say nothing bad about you. Me not do it because me do it more than one time. I put you down, me hurt you. I hurt myself. Go hold it, hold it to me. Just hold it, sir. Just hold it. Hold it, me go. I come. I hurt myself. It's alright. I go take it.